Hey everybody, Rob here from Helm of Awesome Windows. Welcome to the channel. I've literally just bought myself a Dosatron box from Gutter Vacuum Systems for when I'm applying biocide. The strongest solution ratio on that is 20:1, so it's predominantly just for biocide, but I could probably use it for things like surface cleaners for like plastics and stuff like that. This is my setup, so I'm going to be using bits of materials that I've already got because I haven't gone out and bought anything extra yet, just to get it working, and this is my first time use. So you're going to see me using it for the very first time and see how it comes out. I'm going to be using a brush head, and I'm also going to be using a spray nozzle so you can see the difference. And those of you that don't know, a Dosatron just runs off the tap pressure, so fingers crossed all goes well. Like I said, this is the first time using it, so we'll see how we go. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time.
So here it is, nice tidy little box, inlet and outlet on the front there, two little plastic clips to open the lid. Then you've got your Dosatron and your little tube which goes straight into your chemical pump. And that's it really, guys. Nice simple setup, easy to just plug and play and shoot off and get going.
So I'm going to try and make this as simple as possible. I've got my pole, hose. What I've done on the end of my pole is I've put one of these hose lock connectors, and I've also put a little in hose tap so I can turn it on and off. What I need to do is a couple of things. So first of all, I will be putting the chemical tub in there, dropping that into the chemical, and I need to twist this here to set it to the strength. So the strongest it'll go to is 20:1, and that's what I'm going to go for today. This is your inlet, so it goes through the inlet, goes for that gauge to protect your Dosatron. So this is the customer's hose pipe, which I'm going to be putting the water in. Let me just plug that in, so that comes through. And then I've just made a little piece here, so that's for the outlet, so that's going to go here. Then I will plug in my hose and it's good to go. Now I've got two options. I've got the chemical brush, which I got from Pete Marshall at Marshall Pro, and I've also got the DA applicator, which I got from Darren Ansborough at DA Components. So I'm going to show you a little video of both. Basically, that's it. I'm going to put the chemical in, we're going to turn the water on, and fingers crossed, all will be good. Wish me luck. To be aware of, once you turn the water on, you need to prime the Dosatron. So you get the water coming through here, you need to press this button here on the top. Yeah, and you keep pressing it until the chemical is coming out the end of whatever you're using, whether it's a brush or a hose. So that's very important. You've got to make sure that you prime it once you've turned it all on. So I forgot to mention that in the previous video. So I'm going to do that in just a moment, prime it, get it all set up, and then I'm going to start showing you it in action.